Hello.
Hello, teacher.
Are you ready for speaking test?
Yes.
Let's go. Well, the first part is introduce about yourself. What's your name? 14. 14. How old are you?
7 years old.
7 years old. How are you today?
I'm happy.
Okay. Where do you live?
I'm in Vietnam.
In Vietnam. In which city?
Hanoi.
In Hanoi. Very good. How many people are there in your family?
4
There are
and 4 people.
in my
Family.
in my family. Who are there?
Me.
Me. Okay.
Little sister.
Little sister.
Father.
Father.
Mother.
Mother. Very good. Well, next up, we're going to talk about colors. Can you tell me what color is it?
It's gray.
What color is it?
It's purple.
Purple. What color is it?
It's white.
Can you speak louder a little bit? Speak louder, okay? What color is it?
It's yellow.
Good. What color is it?
It's orange.
What color is it?
It's black.
Here.
It's red.
It's red here.
It's pink.
Perfect. Okay, now we go to counting and answer. We count about animals, okay? Can you tell me what animal is it?
It's a giraffe.
It's a giraffe. Can you tell me how many giraffes are there?
It's 11.
Huh?
It's 11.
How many giraffes are there?
It's 11.
There are
There are 11 giraffes.
giraffes. Very good. Next, right here, can you tell me how many parrots are there?
It's 14.
There
There
are
are 14 parrots.
parrots. Very good. This is parrot, right? What color is it?
It's pink,
Pink and
yellow, and blue.
and
Blue,
and what color is it?
black, and white.
And here this one. This one.
Orange.
Orange. So we have a lot of colors, right? So what do we call it? It's
Colors.
colorful.
Color.
Okay, that's good. Next up here, what animal is it?
A tiger.
It's a tiger. How many tigers are there?
It's 10.
How many tigers are there?
There are 10 tigers.
There are 10 tigers. Good job. Next up here, what animal is it?
It's elephant.
It's an elephant. How many elephants are there?
14.
14.
There are 14 and 11.
Can you count them? 14? Count.
What? 13.
13 or 14?
13.
13, that's right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Not working. So, how many elephants are there?
There are 13
Elephants. What color is the elephant?
It's gray and pink.
Gray and pink? Never be happy, but okay. Now, can you tell me, what is this?
It's a fish.
What color is it?
It's orange.
So, what do we say?
It's an orange fish.
Yeah, it's an orange fish, okay? Here, what is this?
It's a flower.
It's a...
Flower.
No, it's a red flower. Right? What is this?
It's a blue bird.
Bluebird? Perfect. Here, what is this?
It's a blue butterfly.
It's a blue butterfly. Okay, do you like the fish?
Yes, I do.
Do you like the butterfly? Yes, I do. Nice. Well, let's go to the at school stuffs. Okay, can you tell me what is this?
It's a book.
It's a
Book.
It's a book. Can you speak louder? Okay. What is this?
It's a eraser.
It's
It's a eraser.
a eraser or an eraser? It's an eraser. What is this?
It's a backpack.
It's a backpack. What is this?
It's a pencil case.
Good job. And before the last one, what is this?
It's a ruler.
It's a ruler. What is this?
It's a notebook.
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 It's a
Notebook.
Okay. Well, next over here, think about plays. What is this?
It's violin.
It's a violin. Can you play the violin?
No,
Okay, what is this?
it's a piano.
Piano. Can you play the piano?
No, I can't.
Well, what is this?
It's a drum.
Drum. Can you play the drum? No, what?
No, I can't.
No, I can't. Can you play the guitar?
No.
Okay, that's good. Well, thank you so much. Ciao. Bye bye. Goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.